Greetings, subscribers, and thank you for subscribing, Spirits Meatsies. Let's give a shout out to my friend in Australia. Her family moved here this year, January 6, 2023. Father works in the military, so I'm sure Spirits Meatsies, if she made a video on her channel, would have a lot of intelligent things to say with her dad about how we can resolve the problem of, like, how do we allocate the overgrown U.S. military budget? Because I know that's what Bernie Sanders wants us to do. If Joe Biden doesn't run for a second term, I'd be happy to nominate or vote for Kamala Harris if she ran ministry, get from vice president to main president, just like I'd be for her when Barack Obama's vice president. Anyways, that's not really the point of this video. The point is, Spirits Meatsies is my new subscriber, and I'd like for her and my other 368 subscribers to watch me take on the Carolina Reaper Cheese Girls Challenge. Thank you, Hers. This video is sponsored by Hers and Dole Apple Juice. So, Carolina Reaper Challenge. I am going to attempt to eat all these cheese curls and not drink this apple juice until I'm finished eating all of the cheese curls in this bag. I promise you this will take me a much shorter period of time to eat them all than my Pizza Day Challenge and Pie Day Challenge. I might have to try again next year with the chocolate cream pie from the same brand of Marie Callender's. Because I liked eating that pie so much for Pie Day. I enjoyed the chocolate satin pie on the back. I really enjoyed the mac and pie and the chocolate satin pie the next day. Okay, time to eat. I'll do this in 10 minutes or less and eat the whole bag of cheese curls without drinking apple juice. So, for those keeping track of the time codes in the video, so those keeping track of like the time code in the video when I start eating them, my time starts now. Wait a second. But we can eat all these. Wait at that straight container, all these ghost peppers. So I'm like, this we're dead.
This is the quiet floor swim, so I have to go ahead and tell people not to broadcast like I was for those guys in the second. Do you want to do this downstairs?
Yeah.
There we go. Thank you.
It's already on the these downstairs. Sorry about that. I forgot that flow through the 5th floor, so I had to move operations down from the 3rd floor to the 2nd floor. Didn't eat any cheese curls in my past video. Anyways, I'm continuing to see if my stomach can digest all of these spicy hot Carolina Reaper cheese curls. Hopefully I can do a better job. Hopefully I have an easier time eating these than Spring Planner at eating those ghost peppers in this video. Big of a hand 30. I have all the punches in my mouth. Ah, the fingers. Charlie, but I wasn't decided. Let's try the right hand for a change. So that was one finished taking these. I'm not sorry that I didn't buy milk. I know there's a couple. I had barbecue skills because they look like these, but they're less spicy. Yeah, looks like it's really good. I'm done. What else? I don't have time to swallow this. Yeah, I was thinking of the hers. Other type of Hershey's girls. The Stubbs Sticky Sweet Barbecue. Yeah, of course, eating that type of barbecue cheese girls wouldn't be as much of a challenge as Carolina Reaper because they're not as spicy as these ones are. But man, I'm so full of hot air right now. I have time to say this before I drink this apple juice. Okay, so my drink is still going. Yeah. United States of America is really just one part of America as a whole. The American continents actually make up the entire Western Hemisphere. We have a North America, a Central America, and a South America. So, places like Brazil, and Greenland, Iceland, Mexico, Nicaragua, Guatemala, Puerto Rico. They're all still, all of them are, different portions of America. The United States is not the only. The United States of America is not the only part of America. Although, it's even stranger than Puerto Rico not being a United State yet is the fact that I don't even know which continent. That Central America is not its own continent. Is Central America part of North America or South America? I think I'm leaning more towards North America. Oh yeah, Canada. Canada is also another big part of another part of America. Another American territory is North America, Central America, South America. But just remember, Alaska is on the other side of Canada from the lower 49 states. And with that being said, I would all drink this apple juice. So yeah, I think everybody from North America, Central America, South America. All of them are, all of us are, Americans in our own way, including, the Mexicans and Canadians from the opposite sides of 48 United States that are not Hawaii or Alaska. Wow. Actually lasted 3 full minutes without, even more without, lasted 3 minutes. I lasted 3 full minutes, more or less, having eaten an entire bag of Carolina Reaper cheese curls, spicy Carolina Reaper cheese curls. I haven't eaten apple juice yet. Well, time to start drinking to get all that spice out of my mouth. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to take on more daring challenges with spicy food or spicy drinks, then like and subscribe and leave a comment asking for more. What do you think I should eat or drink? It's been a very fun experience for me, many things on camera. Let's try foods I always want to eat, but are very challenging to eat and digest, as long as it doesn't take an inordinate indefinite amount of time to try to swallow them. Sorry, voice was not energetic enough for you. That's just how I am. I was right, though. I didn't do that when I do my voice. When I talk to you people, when I talk to you subscribers, you gals and you guys, and even viewers who aren't subscribed to me yet. I'm sure this video is a thing that pushes my channel past above and beyond 1,000 subscribers. That concludes my library, but remember, it's propagated recorded on the first floor and second floor, but definitely not the third floor. It's big part.